In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to Google Calendar 2025. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly integrate Zoom with your Google Calendar to streamline your scheduling process, you're in the right place. We'll walk through everything step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to add Zoom meetings to your calendar events effortlessly. First, let's get started on your desktop using your preferred web browser. Open up Google Calendar by navigating to calendar.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account information to proceed. Once you're on the main page of Google Calendar, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see your calendar grid in the center, and around it are various tools and options that we'll be utilizing. Now, towards the top of your screen, in the upper right-hand corner, you'll notice a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of settings and options. From this menu, look for the option that says either add-ons or integrations. The terminology might vary slightly, but the concept remains the same. These are tools that enhance the functionality of your calendar. Select this option to proceed. Next, you'll be directed to a new window or pane where you can search for a multitude of integrations. In the search bar provided, type in Zoom for Google Workspace. This application is specifically designed to integrate Zoom's powerful video conferencing capabilities with your Google Calendar. After typing it in, hit enter and wait for the search results to populate. Once you see Zoom for Google Workspace in the search results, click on it. This action should lead you to a page that provides more information about the integration. You'll see an option to install or add this app to your Google Calendar. Click on this button to initiate the process. Following this, you'll be prompted to authorize Zoom with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants necessary permissions so that Zoom can function effectively with your calendar. Carefully read through the authorization prompts, which usually require you to accept certain terms and conditions and allow access to your calendar events. After reviewing and agreeing to these, confirm your choice, and Zoom will then be successfully integrated with your Google Calendar. And there you have it. Zoom is now integrated with your Google Calendar, allowing you to add Zoom meetings directly when you create events. This integration simplifies setting up virtual meetings with ease and ensures they're just a click away in your calendar interface.
We hope this tutorial has been helpful and makes your online scheduling a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!